Hey everyone, welcome back to Next Level English. Today, we've got a grammar practice quiz with 35 multiple choice questions to challenge your skills. Ready to test your knowledge? Let's get started. 1. Complete the sentence, she. To school every day. Goes. Tips, subject-verb agreement is crucial in English grammar. 2. Choose the correct sentence. He doesn't like tea. Tips, use does in 4 third-person singular subjects. 3. Which is the correct possessive form? John's car. Tips, possessive forms show ownership, with apostrophe plus s. 4. Which of the following sentences is correct? She can sing well. Tips, modal verbs, can, may, must, are followed by the base verb. 5. Choose the correct form of the adjective. This is the easiest book. Tips, use most for the superlative of multi-syllable adjectives. 6. Which sentence uses the correct form of the adjective? This is the most difficult problem. Tips, the superlative form uses most before the adjective. 7. Which sentence is correct? I have a better idea than you. Tips, use comparatives to compare two things, better for more than one. 8. Choose the correct sentence. If I were you, I would help him. Tips, use would in second conditional for unreal situations. 9. Which sentence is correct? He played football when he was young. Tips, past tense played is for completed actions. 10. Choose the correct question form. Where are you going? Tips, questions in present continuous need are before the subject. 11. Choose the correct preposition. I am waiting for you at the bus stop. Tips, use for to indicate purpose or waiting for someone. 12. Which sentence is correct? She enjoys reading books. Tips, some verbs, enjoy, love, are followed by gerunds, verb plus ing. 13. Choose the correct form of the verb. He was waiting for us when we arrived. Tips, past continuous is used for actions in progress during another action. 14. Which sentence is correct? They have been waiting for over an hour. Tips: use have with plural subjects in present perfect continuous. 15. Which sentence uses the correct verb form? She has eaten her lunch. Tips: present perfect is formed with have plus past participle. 16. Choose the correct sentence. I wish I were there. Tips: use were for unreal situations in wishes. 17. Which sentence is correct? I went to London last year. Tips: past simple is used with specific past times like last year. 18. Choose the correct preposition. She is good at playing the piano. Tips: use it for skills and abilities in certain areas. 19. Which sentence is correct? I have been living here for 3 years. Tips: for is used to indicate duration. 20. Complete the sentence: we to the store tomorrow. Will go. Tips: future actions are expressed with will plus base verb. 21. Which sentence is correct? She is the smartest student. Tips: superlatives use the before the adjective, know most. 22nd. Choose the correct sentence. She is more intelligent than him. Tips: use more for comparisons with adjectives of 2 or more syllables. 23. Choose the correct sentence. If it rains, we will stay inside. Tips: use will for first conditional sentences with real possibilities. 24th. Fill in the gap: she to the market every day. Goes. Tips: use third person singular for he, she, it in present tense. 25. Which of the following is an example of a past perfect tense? I had written a letter. Tips: past perfect uses had plus past participle. 26. Select the correct sentence. He runs to the store. Tips: for he, she, slash it, use the base verb with an s in present tense. 27. Correct article: apple a day keeps the doctor away. Un. Tips: use in before vowel sounds. 28. Which sentence is in passive voice? The mouse was chased by the cat. Tips: passive voice focuses on the action or object, not the subject. 29. Choose the correct form of the verb, she to the store. Goes. Tips: use the simple present for regular actions. 30. Select the correct sentence. He doesn't like apples. Tips: use doesn't with the base form of the verb. 31. Identify the correct preposition, she is interested. Music. In. Tips: interested in is the correct phrase. 32. Fill in the blank. Is the book you wanted? What? Tips: what is used for asking about things? 33. Choose the correct article, I need. Apple from the basket. Un. Tips: use in before words starting with a vowel sound. 34. Select the correct word, I. My homework last night. Did. Tips: use the past tense form did for past actions. 35. Fill in the blank, he is. Friend. A good. Tips: good is an adjective and needs a before it. How many did you get right? Share your score in the comments, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more grammar quizzes. Keep practicing and see you in the next one.